Hello everyone. After 3-4 weeks of hard working on the floor, he's gonna go enjoy his ride. หลังจากเฮ็ดเวียกหนักมา3-4 อาทิตย์เนาะพี่น้องเพิ่นเจ็บคอมือหลายมือเติบเพิ่นก็สิไปผ่อนคลายอารมณ์เพิ่นได้บัดนี้ For once, your plate 818 not 555 everything 5. Go out there and stripe a pose.
What?
Go out there and then turn that way, but wait, strike a pose.
Right. I don't want to.
You had your screensaver on every screen, on every computer. That means you like your selfie with your motorcycle. Look at what's his name? Eddie. He never ride his Harley. Huh?
He does. I thought he'd go out. I'm sorry, if I turn this up, you're not going to be able to hear it.
It's okay. I can silence. Go turn it out there. Go turn it. Put the tail towards Eddie's house and then warm your engine there. You gotta get me out of your camera view.
No, it's not recording.
Eddie's doing something, cleaning up. If you walk in a gas station with that mask thing on your face, they're gonna think you're a robber.โดนๆเพิ่นก็ไปขี่เทื่อนึงเนาะอาทิตย์นึงไปเทื่อนึงพี่น้องเฮ็ดเวียกเฮือนเมื่อยแล้วก็ไปผ่อนคลายอันนี้คือความผ่อนคลายของนางของพ่อใหญ่กล้องนี่ก็เพื่อความปลอดภัยด้วยพี่น้องบ่ถ้ามีคนมาหวังได้ทางหลังทางหน้าในบอนข้างเพิ่นก็มีกล้องก็ถ่ายไว้เบิ่งแน่ว่าขี่แนวใดโง่แนวใดเลี้ยวแนวใด Did you put that sticker of that teeth thing on the bottom? Or it came like that?
What?
The sticker of the teeth, monster teeth?
Yeah. I bought it.
The whole panel thing came with it or you bought it?
I bought it.
What does it do? Protect your stuff?
Just a show.
This what I'm talking about is this plastic panel here. You bought it?
Yeah. What?
This whole panel.
No, it came with it.
But you bought the stickers for it.
Yes.
You cracked your thing already here. Look.
Yeah.
The rock probably.
Oh my God. I didn't even see that. Oh, the rock.
หมักหินต
Oh my God.
How much to repair that? Hey, Eddie. He still got his mechanic seat. That one.
Oh.
That one cracked too.
Oh my God.
Right there.
Damn it.
How can you not see that? You look at it every day.
Oh crap. See, I put the tape on it so that way it won't rock chip. So I need to put the same thing here. Oh my God. I just wasted.
You put that on there? Or you didn't?
No, the tape. I haven't put it on yet.
But you were gonna put it on.
Yes.
So what, do they sell just that part now?
No, it's
You have to order the new light?
no. I'm gonna just
put the tape on it.
Tape over it. Sorry, my friend.
This one cracked a lot more. Right there, it's about to fall out.
Yeah, I know. Look at this right here. Man. Something here.
Can this thing come loose when you go in the gas station?
No. Yeah, it can.
What if they take your whole pouch with them?
Yeah.
How? Well, you said it can come
Locked.
loose.
It's locked.
Huh?
It's locked.
Oh, cool.ภูมิแพ้ออก allergy. Helmet come in a bigger size?
What?
Your helmet, does it come a little bit bigger size?
Yeah, but I don't know. It needs to be small. Can you take this back?
Yes. Give it to me. We didn't even see you there. Smells เหม็นน้ำมันอยู่นะ Wait, Dad. Come out here so I can take a picture. Stay out here. I'll take a picture right here. Slow down. A Sunday ride after some hard working weeks on the floor.